operation at Hammerbacher. We are producing office furniture.
So my name is Hammerbacher and I'm responsible for finance and administration, and I try to spare the money so the technician can spend the money.
That's our flex wall system. And with that system you can make so many different products from what we developed there. It's not one fixed cabinet that stands there forever, but it can be rearranged at any time, and you don't need tools for that. We are the first company in Germany that only uses FSC certified material, so we started that 10 years ago, or more than 10 years ago. We also like the idea that the Threespine system is one that uses almost no plastics, so the dowels are wood and everything is wood.
Yeah, I heard it from my brother because he saw an advertisement in a magazine.
So we got in contact with Välinge, and then there were 3 representatives from Välinge that came to Neumarkt and visited us, and they had a small fabric bag. It was very secret, and they pulled out something from that bag, and that was the Threespine ID system. So, and when we first saw it, it was really like, when you see it, you know how it's working and you immediately understand what it's doing, because it's just an inclined dowel. We just drill a hole and it's just not perpendicular but inclined, and that's everything. I think the main benefit for the customer really is saving the assembly time. Everyone knows how it feels to assemble furniture when you have like your little bag of fittings that you have to sort and something is missing or you lost it. And with the Threespine ID system, that's just over. You just take the parts out of your box and you click them together, and that's it.
I think the main advantage is that the Välinge system you can integrate in the existing production lines, and there is no huge investment necessary.
So far, yes.
Yeah, I think it's a good choice because it's easy. I wonder why I didn't came up by myself to this system.